Hello, you're welcome to today's class. We have something to solve on the board, and it says that we should solve 32, the square root of 32 raised to the power of 10 is equal to what? 2 raised to the power of x. Now it's just so easy. What do? The first thing we have to do is to write solution. And now the next thing we have to do is to remove this square root sign, okay? When we remove this square root sign and write this number in an exponential form, it turns to what? 32 raised to the power of 10 or raised to the power of half, okay? Yes, the power of half replaces this square root sign. So the first thing we have to do is to get rid of this square root sign, okay? That is 32 raised to the power of 10, okay? Removing this square root sign now, we raise all to the power of what? Half. Is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Okay? Yeah. So now we are done with this stage. The next stage is what? To multiply the two powers together. Okay? Yeah. We multiply the two powers. And multiplying these two powers, that is 10 multiplied by half, is going to give us what? 2 cancel here, 1, 2 here, 5. Of course, it's going to give us what? 5. Okay? So we are going to write this as what? 32 raised to the power of what? 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Now, we want our bases to be the same. And of course, you know that we can write 32 in base 2, right? Yeah. Writing 32 in base 2 is 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay? So we are going to write this as 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay? Don't forget this power of 5 here. We write this power of 5 here. Okay? That is 2 raised to the power of is equal to 2 raised to the power of x. Now, what do we do again? We see that our bases are the same. But before that, we try to multiply the two powers, okay? That is 5 times 5, which is going to give us 25. So we are going to write this as 2 raised to the power of 25. 5 times 5 is equal to what? 2 raised to the power of x. Now we see that the bases are the same. So what do? We try to equate the powers since the bases are the same. That is x is equal to what? 25. So the final answer is x is equal to 25. And that's just it. Thanks for watching.